Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You first confirm your PC actually has Bluetooth hardware or a plugged USB adapter. Without hardware, you cannot proceed. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, and toggle Bluetooth on so the radio can scan. Meanwhile, put your peripheral into pairing mode. Most devices use a 3-5-second press or a flashing LED. This tells both devices to advertise themselves. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios are available, and keep the device within 3 meters for reliable discovery. Once Bluetooth is active, click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth to start scanning. Windows will list nearby discoverable devices. You should see the accessory name, select it. When a PIN or passkey appears, verify it matches on both devices to prevent connecting to the wrong gadget. The OS will then install drivers automatically. While that happens, keep both devices still. If drivers don't install, make sure you have internet access for driver download. And try unplugging, then plugging the adapter, if using a USB dongle. After pairing, confirm the device status reads connected and run a quick test. Play audio, type, or check battery level, so you know it's functional. If it fails, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and repeat pairing to clear a bad profile. This often fixes authorization glitches. If problems persist, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter driver and check the adapter manufacturer's firmware tool. Make sure power saving settings aren't disabling the adapter. Disable USB selective suspend if used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.